continuing with the experiences of, let's say, African American women, Collins is talking about the women facing multiple challenges in the society. So African women face challenges resulting from subordination on multiple counts in the system of the society, and that system is a dominating system, particularly for the black women. So they have to struggle for different purposes. They have to struggle to maintain their own, let's say, dignity, the self-respect, the self-identity, and also they have to work for justice, and this justice is for themselves as well as for other members of the, let's say, African American community, and that is the, her focus is on women. So this woman has to fight on several different counts simultaneously. She has to fight on different fronts simultaneously. As a woman, as a black woman, as a, let's say, poor woman. So that's where we see that the intersecting hierarchies of gender and race result in a more, let's say, prevalent kind of situation where she is subordinated to others, and thereby she has experience of this degradation of low dignity and poor class, and we see that her experiences are altogether different, either by the experience of the black men or the experiences of white women. So that's what she is focusing at. So we see that their subordination, we see that because of this subordination, that many employed black women earn minimum income. We see that because of that, they continue to remain, let's say, in the same social class. Therefore, her focus is that if we are looking at the feminist kind of approach, we have to look into the experiences of these women. We also see that some class differences emerge in the community of African American women as well. Some, let's say, African American women do manage to move up in the hierarchy of the social class, and they can, let's say, improve their status. They can, let's say, move to the next higher class, from the lower class to the middle class. Now, when that happens, it results in increasing some kind of gap among the black women as well. We see that those who improve, they get some kind of distance with the other women who are at the lower scale within their own community. So this social location or the standpoint for such women differs from the social locations of those down the line. So since they are relatively at a higher status, because of that, there comes some kind of gap. So that also has to be looked into that. So we see how do they experience this kind of situation. Also, we see that those who are upwardly mobile, African American women, they leave the, let's say, area, the location where they were within the, let's say, black community. They might be moving to areas which are more integrated, where other races are also living. They might be moving to, let's say, white race kind of community. When they move, then again the distance is there, maybe on different counts. One, there is a physical distance. The other, there is a social distance as well with respect to the social class. So we see that the social distance increases with those in the lower class. So they try to get into new networks, and Patricia Collins is talking into looking into the experiences of such women as well.